Somewhere right now, a mother is looking at her own newborn child and deciding whether to eat it. This isn't a horror movie. This is real nature. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why some of the most caring animal parents on Earth are also the deadliest threat to their own babies. Let's get into it. We're taught that animal parents protect their young at all costs. But biology doesn't care about our expectations. It only cares about survival. Scientists call this brutal behavior filial cannibalism, and it happens more often than you'd think, across fish, mammals, reptiles, and even insects. Here are 5 of the most shocking examples and the cold, calculated reasons behind each one. Let's start with something you might actually keep as a pet: the hamster. Female hamsters sometimes eat their own pups shortly after birth. Why? If the mother senses danger, stress, lack of food, or even the scent of a human touching their babies too soon, she may see the litter as a lost cause. Rather than waste energy raising pups that likely won't survive, her body makes a cold calculation. Eat them now, save energy, and try again later when conditions are safer. Now let's go underwater. Sand tiger sharks take cannibalism to a terrifying extreme before birth even happens. Inside the mother's womb, multiple embryos develop at once, but only the strongest survive because the biggest embryo actually hunts down and eats its smaller siblings while still inside the uterus. By the time one pup is born, it's already the sole survivor of its own personal battle royale. Scientists believe this ensures only the strongest, most well-fed shark enters the ocean, ready to hunt from day one. Lions bring a different twist. When a new male takes over a pride, he often kills the cubs fathered by the previous male, not for food, but to bring the females back into fertility faster, so he can father his own cubs. It's not about eating for survival, it's about ensuring his own genes are the ones passed on. Cold, calculated, and one of the most studied examples of animal behavior in the wild. Even farm animals aren't exempt. Domestic sows sometimes accidentally crush their piglets, and in high-stress environments will occasionally eat the weak or already dead ones. Farmers have found that reducing stress, giving more space, and proper nutrition drastically cuts this behavior down, proving that even unnatural cannibalism is often the body's response to an unnatural, stressful environment. Finally, cichlid fish, popular in home aquariums, practice something scientists call filial cannibalism in its purest form. A parent fish will eat a portion of its own eggs or fry, especially the weaker, slower developing ones. Researchers believe this isn't cruelty, it's resource management. By eating the weakest offspring, the parent conserves energy to successfully raise the strongest survivors. So why does this happen across so many species? The answer comes down to one brutal truth. Nature doesn't reward good intentions. It rewards efficient survival. When resources are scarce or offspring are unlikely to survive, many species have evolved to cut their losses rather than waste energy on a lost cause. It sounds cruel to us, but from an evolutionary standpoint, it's simply strategy. Nature is far stranger and far darker than most documentaries show you. If this blew your mind, hit subscribe because next time we're diving into animals that literally eat their own mates. Drop a comment. Which one of these shocked you the most? See you in the next one.